Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make puff pastry. You can use puff pastry with savory and sweet items. I'm going to show you how to make butterfly palmiers. They are light, crispy, flaky, perfect with a cup of tea. So let's get started! Place 150 grams of unsalted butter slices inside a sandwich bag and roll the butter into an even slab and chill in the refrigerator. Mix together 250 grams of bread flour, 5 grams of salt, 38 grams of melted unsalted butter, and 125 grams of water. Knead the dough until it comes together. Do not overwork it. Wrap it and chill in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Lightly dust your work surface and dough with flour. Roll dough out into a rectangle. The butter slab should cover 2/3 of the dough. Place the butter slab on bottom 2/3 of the dough. Fold the top third down over the center to cover half of the butter. Brush off excess flour and fold the bottom 1/3 over the center. Dust your work surface and dough again, and now we're going to do a 4-fold. Roll out the dough into a big rectangle. Try to keep the edges even. Fold both ends of the dough into the middle and then fold over like a book. Brush off excess flour, wrap, and place in the fridge for 20 minutes. Continue this process for another 3 times, a total of 4 folds. Always wrap and rest the dough in between each fold. Preheat oven to 375 degrees. Generously dust your work surface with granulated sugar. Roll the dough into a large rectangle, about 1/8 of an inch thick. I'm cutting my dough in half to make smaller palmiers. Spray water onto the dough and sprinkle granulated sugar on top. Gently fold the dough in half to mark the middle, then unfold. Fold both ends 1/4 of the way to the middle of the dough, then fold over again to the middle, and finally fold over like a book. Make one side a little smaller than the other to create different sized butterfly wings. Trim the end of the dough, then cut 1/2-inch pieces. Roll the dough in granulated sugar and cut 2/3 of the way down the middle of each piece. Flip the flaps out and place on a sheet pan. Be sure to leave enough space in between each palmier. They will spread during baking. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit until golden brown, about 15 to 18 minutes. Cool the palmiers on a rack and enjoy. Time to taste! Look how cute they are! Mmm! You hear the crunch? It's super flaky, crunchy, sweet, light. Perfect. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and hit the like and subscribe button. Be sure to hit the bell button for notifications. Leave a comment down below. I would love to hear from you. Life is uncertain, eat dessert first. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!